Hey guys, this is Darron. You're about to watch a video from my full stack React Native course on Udemy. The course has a total of 5 projects ranging from beginner to expert. You will learn everything from styling to Redux to Node.js to Mongo Atlas to authentication. I am posting half of each project on YouTube. And if you like what you see, you can view the rest of the course on Udemy. And make sure you use the promo code GeekMODE. Take care. Okay guys, so to start this video, make sure you're at developer.nytimes.com. Now, once you're in your profile, I want you to select your apps. Select your Cosmo app and copy your key. Now open your project, and within your lib folder, we're going to create a file called mykey.js. And all we're going to do in this file is type in export const mykey, set that equal to parentheses, and just paste in your key. All right. Now, let's navigate back to the NY developers website and go to APIs on the home screen. Click on Top Stories API. I want you guys to copy this URL. Now within your newsfeed index.js file, we're going to import mykey from our lib folder and our mykey file. And we're going to use our lifecycle method that we covered in our earlier video, component did mount. Okay, so we're going to use the fetch method. Within the fetch method, we're going to paste our URL. Don't forget to include your quotes. Okay, that was a little rough. So after you've done that, type in .then response arrow function. We're going to type in response.json. We're going to apply another then and create a res prop. And we're going to console log res. So save your application, refresh the emulator. And now make sure you have your debugger running by pressing Command D. Now if you look at our console, here's our data. You can see that our status is okay. So we're receiving our data. And within our results, we're getting a list of all of our articles. All right. If you take a look, the names that we're getting from our API are not matching what we plan on receiving from our for our application. For example, if you take a look at our data, our mock data that we created, we're expecting a description, but within our API, we're actually getting, where is that? An abstract. So we're going to have to do some changing to our manipulation to our API data.